Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sekhar's Lab, and this is a short video to authorize and configure your Ads.txt file using Google Sitekit. So we have few steps, we have to follow few steps. So first of all, we must have Google Sitekit. Okay, so go to your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to plugins, add new, and search for Google Sitekit. Okay, and click install and then activate. And then after you have to connect your Google AdSense account. To do that, we have to do in the WordPress dashboard. Go to Sitekit settings, under the connected services section. Ensure that AdSense is connected. So let's do that. So you can see already I have installed Sitekit. So we have to connect Sitekit, okay, with Google AdSense. So what we have to do, go to settings, connect more services, set up AdSense, and follow the steps to link your AdSense account. Like, okay, so right now it's connected with the account. Now go back to settings. So you can see that AdSense is connected with Sitekit. Now we have to authorize Ads.txt file. Okay, so once AdSense is connected, Sitekit will automatically detect if an Ads.txt file is required. Okay, if needed, you will see a notification in Sitekit also, or the AdSense dashboard, prompting you to set up the file, authorize the Ads.txt file. Okay, so what we have to do, click on edit, disconnect AdSense from Sitekit. Now click on disconnect. Now please log in to Google AdSense. So already I have logged in, you can see that. Add new site and add your site. recipeblitz.com. You can also copy from the website, okay, otherwise just you can tap here, just copy and paste here and save that. Now please the second radio button, Ads.txt snippet, click on that. But before that you must have an Ads.txt file. So you can check that by following the URL. Ads.txt file, and make sure your publisher ID is correct. You can find publisher ID from your account. You can go back, click on account settings, account information. Here is your publisher ID. Just copy and paste that, and you can upload from plugin. Otherwise, you can directly upload from file manager to the root folder. Make sure Ads.txt file must be on root folder. Okay, this is your publisher ID. Now click on sites, check the second radio button, Ads.txt snip, check box, check that and verify. Okay, and then your Ads.txt file will be verified. Thank you so much.